Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I will be showing you my 3 top app stores for third-party applications on Android TV. This is going to be a good video and I highly recommend you watch right up to the end because I will also be showing you how to download and install these 3 app stores to your Android TV and how to use them effectively. So please, if you find the video helpful, please make sure to like, subscribe and share so that you will encourage us to be able to create more important videos like this. That's it, let's go ahead. Before we continue, here is a quick reminder. If you are browsing on Smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I would highly recommend using a VPN. This is because a VPN helps protect your privacy, it secures your connection and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN because it is fast, reliable and works smoothly on TV devices. In the description of this video, I've added a special link that you should check it out and create an account. That's it, let's continue. As usual, I'm using my Android TV box and also a USB mouse to navigate on my box. So if you are looking for an Android TV box, in the description of this video, I've added some recommendations of my top Android TV box so you can check them out. So you can choose any of them to upgrade your Android TV box or to change your Android TV box. So check the description of this video and you see that. So let's get started. The very first application I'm going to show you is not one of my top app stores, but it is a download application, which is just a worthy mention. It's not in my list of the top 3 app stores for apps for third-party applications, but it is a worthy mention because you can always use downloader to install third-party applications to your Android TV. All you need in this case is to have downloader codes. I think I once created a video on 50 downloader codes that you can use on downloader. You can check that on my YouTube channel. My only problem with downloader codes is that they are always changing, and because of that you constantly need to change the code. But you can always use downloader to install your applications or third-party apps to Android TV. But nonetheless, let's go ahead on my list. I have 3 applications over here, 3 app stores, and the very first one on my list is the most common, APKTime. So yes, APKTime here, and I don't like using APKTime that much, but I still love using it. It is simple to use, it has a couple of categories, and even though it doesn't have like tons of applications, it has the basic necessary applications that we Android TV users are always looking for. So for instance, you go back to categories like this, like play and browsers here, you're going to see the different applications that you can download and install to your Android TV from here. So it's pretty easy to download. Just click on download there and then wait for it to quickly download, then you install. Now I have a problem with APKTime, and it's that the applications are out of date. That's my only problem with the application. Maybe with time the applications will get updated, but anyway, that's it. Let's move on to the next app store on my list, which is in this case the Unlinked application. So this is Unlinked, and I use Unlinked a lot. I've created a lot of videos on Unlinked, and you can check them out on my YouTube channel if you're looking for videos on Unlinked. So Unlinked is an app store for third-party applications, different categories or all categories of third-party applications, and once you launch it, this is how it looks like. For Unlinked to work, you need to add a library. So if you check my YouTube channel, you're going to see a video with 8 different libraries for Unlinked that you can check out on your Android TV. So just go over here, put in the library, and you'll bring it to applications that you can download and install to your Android TV. That's it about Unlinked. I don't want to waste time. Let's move to the next one on my list, which is AppLinked. AppLinked, I prefer AppLinked to Unlinked because AppLinked has more apps and also has more features than Unlinked, but it's similar to Unlinked. You see AppLinked, Unlinked. Anyway, here's the update. Just click on OK over here, and then this is how it looks like. So the very first thing is here, you can add a store just like on Unlinked. You add a library. So type in the store code there, and then install applications through by downloader codes and so on. You're looking for AppLinked codes, just check my YouTube channel. There is a video for all of that. Now look down here, the categories of applications. There is live streaming, movies, games, utilities, sports, and verified apps. So if I click on utilities apps, for instance, you're going to see all apps here on utilities or tools, in other words. So you can download these applications to your Android TV by just clicking on any one you want and download it. Also, you can just browse through to see all the available applications over here, and if you look well, they are all updated to the latest date. And nonetheless, you can browse through AppLinked, to check out all the apps that you might want. There are most applications that I'm not at liberty to show you on this video. So those are my 3 app stores for third-party applications. There's there's APKTime, AppLinked, and Unlinked. There are 3 of them. If I want to rank them in order, AppLinked will be my best. Now I want to show you how to download and install them to your Android TV using my browser. So just go over to your browser, any browser will work. In this case, me, I'm using the Google search browser. So for the very first one, APKTime, go over here, just type in APKTime as you see me typing, and click on the suggested option over here. Here's it, and please use this second option that says Malavida. Use that second option, click on it, and you'll be able to download and install the application from here. It's very simple. Click download, wait for this to turn green, and then you can go ahead and download to your Android TV. Just click on download, and it's going to start downloading, or they'll ask you a question if you want to download it again if you had downloaded it before. So just click OK. When it's downloaded, you can then go ahead and install. In my case, they're telling me to update because I already have it installed. Anyway, let's just quickly move on to the next application, which in this case is the AppLinked. Yes, I believe. So I'm going to try to download AppLinked same way using a browser. As I said, any browser will work in this case. So go over to your search box, type in applinkt.store. So just type in AppLinked exactly like this. Please make sure there are no mistakes. AppLinked.store. So as you type in AppLinked.store and you launch, let me just finish here. As you launch, it's going to bring you to the official website of AppLinked. And on the official website of AppLinked app, you can click download at the top right corner over here and install the application to your Android TV. So is it asking me if I want to download it again? I'll click OK once it's done, and then install to my Android TV. They ask me to update because I already have it installed. So let's move to the last one, which is the Unlinked. And of course, you can also use your browser to install Unlinked. So just on the same case, just go over here, type in Unlinked app, just like you see me type Unlinked app here. And there are many other options, but we're going to go to the option from Malavida, just like we use for APKTime. So click on that option, and just like in the first case, click on download over here. Wait for this to turn green, and then you can go ahead and install it or download it again to your Android TV, just like I will do. And once it's done downloading, you can then go ahead and install it to your Android TV, just like I do here. So as I said, it's asking me to update because I already have it on my Android TV. So that's how to download and install 3 of these app stores for third-party applications: AppLinked, APKTime, and Unlinked in no order. So I've shown you how to download them and install them. And there's another app I just want to bring as a worthy mention. It is not an app store, but it also functions like downloader, and you can use it also to get third-party applications if you have the right codes. So it is FireSend. I think here's it over here. You can also use it to get apps or third-party apps to your Android TV. So basically, these are my top 3 and some worthy mentions or bonuses. If you watched the video right up to this end, I'm sure you found it helpful. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and share more important videos like this.